Question: where is this stock heading? Question: where is this stock heading? We are on a monthly chart of Signet Jewelries Limited. The epic is SIG, Sierra Indian Golf. And we are looking at this stock. We want to know, and the question is, where is this stock heading? All right. When I start trading fast years ago, I don't know how to set profit targets, and I don't know where a financial instrument is heading. So sometimes I may take my profit too early, or sometimes I may give back some of my profit because the financial instrument has already reached the target zone and other traders are already taking profit while I'm still expecting the stock to go up more. And this was a big problem for myself. And finally, I discovered what the professionals were looking at. And I believe there are traders out there who are trading and they don't know how the price is behaving and where the price is heading. Always remember this. When a financial instrument is going up or down, it's going up or down to a specific levels. There are levels that the professionals are watching. It is very important for you also to know those levels. So when I ask you now, where is this stock heading? All right, can you tell me where the stock is heading? All right. So I'm going to start first. So we see that the first thing that we need to understand, which are a bang of 800 times. So traders that are following us may say, George, I need to close my ears now. I don't want to hear that anymore. Are the market patterns. There are three market patterns: the rising channel, the declining channel, and the horizontal channel. Whether you want a 5-minute time frame, monthly chart, or yearly chart, or hourly chart, this is true. The reason why I work with the market pattern is because it will not fool you. Whether you are using any dodgy trading system or any dodgy trading method, by keeping eyes on the market pattern, you'll be able to avoid trading mistakes, which is very important for us. Very, very important for us. But the next thing that we need to know is where is the financial instrument heading. And in order to know where the financial instrument is heading, we want to know what is the current market pattern. So here it is. On this monthly chart, the current market pattern is a rising channel. Here it is. With this information, we can forecast where the price is likely to go and the key levels that we need to watch. This is very powerful stuff. So what I usually do, which I showed traders before, this is a market geometry. Whether you are using a Fibonacci or you are using RSI, take any other technical oscillator, the market patterns and the market geometry will help you to make better trading decisions. So once again, we ask the question, where is this stock heading? It was in a rising channel. Now it popped out of the channel. We measure the height or the width of this channel, and we project it in the direction of the price. So that's the first attempt. So we want to know, where is he heading? He's heading towards this line. So as he pop out with the first candle here, we already know that there's a high chance that this stock may find support here. So for instance, if we are selling, we are day trading or swing trading, selling this stock, we will be prepared to take profit as it reaches this level. It's good to know, yes or no. It's good to know. Why? Because if you don't know, you may take your profit too late. If you look carefully here, you can see that as the price pop out of this channel for the first time, this was the first candle here. Am I talking to myself? Let's zoom into it. This was the first candle here. The second candle, see how the professional push it. They push it all the way to this trend line, which is the projection of the first channel, and they took profit. Look at this tail. The price quickly bounced back up. More than 60% of the gain has been erased. So suppose you were swing trading this stock and you did not place your limit order somewhere near this level to take some profit or to secure some gains. All right, you didn't move your stop loss to secure some gains. And now you see that you have maybe 300 pip profit, or 200 pip profit, or 100 pips profit, or 50 pips profit, and you didn't know that you are at the key levels, and you say, okay, it's going to go down more, and you come back. Here you are probably, okay, all your profit are gone, or even you lose some money. That would be bad, isn't it? So it's very important to know where a financial instrument is going. So now that I do this, the question is still where this stock is going. I'm going to use another tool. This time I'm going to use the simple moving average 50. Now, when we talk about moving average 50, traders shake. They don't want to know, all right? Which I noticed 100 times, okay? So traders hate moving averages because the reason why people hate something, if you misunderstand something, suppose I use a difficult word that you do not understand, all right? Okay? You like to stay and listen to what I'm talking about, all right? All right? But if you understand the meaning of the word that I'm using, you will stay, it will make sense to you, and you want to understand. The same thing happens when they are using, okay, any technical tool, okay? Ishimoku cloud, what is Ishimoku cloud? It's a technical indicator, all right? Linear regression line is a technical indicator. But if you don't know how to use those tools, and I'm talking about it, you are not interested into that subject at all, yes or no? All right? So whenever we talk about moving averages, traders know about moving averages, but they don't know how to use the moving averages. The next reason is because they are too simple. Traders are looking for something more complicated. Now, that's another subject we'll talk about another day. I'm going to put on my chart the moving average 50. Here it is. I'm going to color it into red. Okay. Follow me carefully. So this is the moving average 50. You see how? Now, how the price is stopping near the moving average 50. All right, you see here? This is my moving average 50. You can see the red line here. This is my moving average 50. So the price was trending fast. Now it started going down. It came near moving average 50. We know this. When a financial instrument is trending like this, and a correction began, the first reaction of the correction will usually bring the price near the moving average 50. Well, yes, professionals know that, and they use this all the time. So now that we see it here, as I see it like this, the first thing that is coming to my mind is that just stop selling this stock right now. So what I will do is to put a line there, because what? Anything is possible. So I put a warning line there, okay? And then I will say to myself, priority to bullish signal above 9491, and priority to bearish signal below 9491. There's a high chance this stock now, it was heading towards the moving average 50, which is also the projection of for this channel in this case. It's great to know. So now it's now at the station. Professional that was selling it will be prepared to take some profit. So there's a high chance that we may see a bit of bounce up. I'm moving my line a little bit, okay? I change my, so if I caught another, okay, now I move my line, so it's not too bad, but we'll be down a bit. Somewhere in that zone, okay? So if there will be a bit of bounce, So trader, in the old way, when trader watch video like this, they'll go and buy. And they'll cross their fingers, their arms, and their leg, hoping that the price will bounce up. And the best approach is to use what? A top-down trading method to trade it. So we on a monthly chart, the price at the moving average 50, bounce out of the channel for the first time. All right? There will be a kind of bounce up here. The stock was heading towards the moving at 50. So at this point in time, I draw my line. We're on a monthly chart. Okay, let's do a bit of a top-down trading method here, or multiple time-frame trading method on a monthly chart. So which monthly this, my friend? I'm now on a daily chart. You see how the price was forced towards the moving at 50 on the monthly chart. Now this is the moving at 50 on the daily chart. But the moving at 50 on the monthly chart was somewhere here. You remember? It's somewhere near this blue line of our channel. Okay? You see how the professional were, you see how they force the price to go to that level. Which candle is this? This is a daily candle. Is there a bounce starting now? After this volatility, here it is, it starts bouncing up a bit. I will not dwell on this so much, my friend. The question was very simple. All right. Where is this stock heading? It was heading towards the moving at 50. That's where it was heading. Now there will be a bit of bounce. If it bounced and didn't go back inside the top channel and now start going down again, my friend, all right, so it can go up all the way up here, somewhere here, or it can stop here and continue to go down. If it continues to go down, there's another level. Which level? If it go below 50, the next level is the moving average 200s. But that remains to be seen one step at a time using a top-down trading method. So now we go to the daily chart, okay, as I will show you here. This is my warning line, is here. Now, this is it, okay. So normally on the daily chart, what are we doing? We draw again, draw a common central line, you see here. So I'm drawing a common central line along this, okay, here it is. Normally we want it to break above, you see there was a bearish trend line on the daily chart, price breaks above it, full, instead of stopping here, it went below it. Okay, so if you want to be patient, you can allow the price to close above this trend line before, okay, you may buy. It's not perfect. It's not perfect. Normally, you see here, this is a distortion here. What has happened here is very clear. Those who bought it here because of the stochastic, here it is, because of the stochastic, these are traders that are trading with the stochastic, they bought it here, they push the price up. And they are knowing the professional because the price was heading towards the moving at 50 on the monthly chart. But those who are using the stochastic bought it here, forcing the price up again. Now, I don't know what has happened here, but the price returned to the right place where you're going. In normal condition, this is a bit of distortion here. You see here, this was a bit of distortion because you have a torque candle. The normal progression should be to allow the price to go down all the way to the moving at 50 on the monthly chart. As he was going down here, gently. See how he was going down gently, all the way here. But it's happening all the time. This is why we are recording video to show traders what they should look for so they don't annoy the professional traders and waste also their time. You see now? So normally the price should go all the way to all the way to the moving at 50 on the monthly chart. And then we will have something like this. The price will rally up above, okay? Then the price will rally up above, okay? The trend line from here. That will be another progression. And then the price will come back and retest this trend line, giving us a clear-cut signal here before we switch to the hourly chart. But here it is, because of what has happened here, the price has changed direction, went up, and the professional forced it down. I don't want the video to be too long, otherwise I will go a little bit deeper into this, but I will stop here. All I will say to traders, all right, if you have any question, put in the comment section. Any suggestion, put in the comment section. And in due course, I'll record another video, all right, to answer your specific question. The question is, where is this stock heading? It was heading towards the moving average 50, which is also the projection of the bullish trend line, okay, on a monthly chart. So if it did below this channel, what do we need to do? Okay, let's do it now. Before I wrap it up, we'll project it one more time. Okay, if it goes above this channel here, we'll use exactly the same measurement, and then we will project it. We'll draw a line there, and this will allow you, okay, to know where this stock is heading. You'll also pay attention to the median lines. So if I do exactly the same thing, suppose I put it down here, I'm going to do it now. Allow me to do that, okay? I want to wrap it up, okay? But I want you also to understand everything clearly. So now I'll project it again one more time, this channel down, to have a bit of idea where this stock is heading. So if there is a bounce up and the bearish momentum continues, price continue to go down, all right? Well, what do we need to do? So if I place on my chart, I know that the next level is the moving average 200. Now you are having a bit of idea. Now you are loving a little bit how one can use moving averages like a pro. All right, so I want to place again on my chart. This time the moving average 200. Okay, what's happening, my friend? Moving average 200. Here it is coming up. Here it is, moving average 200. Going to color it. I use red already, so color it green. Well, it doesn't look good. Okay, now I'll change that color. Orange. Oops. This is my moving average 200 here. Am I doing okay? Hold on, please. No, I'm doing something else. Hold on, please, traders. Hold on, please, traders. Hold on, please, traders. All right. This is my moving average 200. That's the dark line here. Here it is. Now I see it. The moving average 200 is here. And I want to change the color of that. If I change the line width, make it thicker. Here it is. See, that's my moving average 200, the thick blue line here on my chart. So one more time, if it continue to go down, we project it again here. All right. And we draw again our channel one more time. And this time, because the moving average 200 is somewhere here, we will also pay attention to the median line of this projection here. So our moving average 200 is near the median line of this channel, the last channel here. So there will be a bounce. That bounce can propel the price all the way up here to display a new high, or it can stop here, or can stop here. One step at a time, using a top-down trading method, we can control the risk. But once it D below this key level here, break below, retest, turn around. The next target is the second channel here. And if it D below that, it will go near the moving average 200, which is also the median line of this last channel here. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders answering this question: where is this stock heading? Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.